Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Let me show you how to remove watermarks using AI. So in my previous video I showed you how to take an old picture and colorize it using palette.fm. Make sure to go check out that video after you're done with this one. So first thing you do is you open the image with the watermark in Photoshop. Next, what you want to do is you want to take the rectangular marquee tool, and it could be any other selection tool that you want to use, but what you do is you just select the watermark that you have, and you can click this generative fill. Once you do that, just click generate and it should take the watermark off of the image. And there it is, it's gone. If you wanted to have other options, they give you other options down here. So you can select which one you like, and if you don't like any of them, what you can do is just click this generate and it'll generate other options for you. And so once you do that, just save the image and you're good to go. If you want more tips and tools on how to use AI to help you with your workflow, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.